Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sajid K. Unni. I come from a state called Kerala State. I represent a company called Eternity Pools and Gardens Private Limited. We are focusing on wellness industry as well as water management. So I've been working abroad for last 20 years and I heard about water tech. Then I decided that I have something very unique for the nation, for the people. That's why I have come for Water Today's exhibitions. This is a product which is discovered by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Our scientists have discovered something which is very unique. Normally for any water to be cleaned, you need pumps, electricity, and all those expensive manpower and money is spent on filtering the water. But our scientists have discovered a filter whereby with the force of gravity you can clean the water. You get a size of 20 micron clean water. So our nation is facing scarcity of water. All across the world is the same, but in our country it's more because clean water is a problem. So scientists have discovered a very novel, simple method by which every household can save water during the rainy seasons. 1500 square meter of area, if you get a rainwater in a day, you can collect that water into a storage tank. But before storing the water into the tank, you please install these rain tap water filters. This is a proper filter whereby the water which is coming from the rooftop, you can connect the pipe here, and then after cleaning the water comes through this outlet which you can store in a water tank. So during the rainy season, all the water which is coming through the rain, you please consume through the help of these rain tap water filters, and then during the other season when there is water, you have enough water from the corporation, you can use it. But rainy season, please conserve water, use water using rain tap. This is the issues. And then we have also a factory whereby we manufacture all the fittings required for plumbing items like 10 gauge, 16 gauge, all the fitting non-return valve with ISI mark. And also we take care of construction of swimming pool. All the equipment which is required for the swimming pool is being manufactured from abroad and brought it, and we are the dealers and exclusive manufacturer for a brand called Vortex Spain. And so far our experience for Water Tech exhibition was good. We got good response from so many people. Basically, common man, even other companies, they are all shown very keen interest to play their corporate social responsibility of preserving water, which is very precious. Water Today, so actually this is my first time experience with Water Today, but I have got a lot of other participants participating in Water Today. They kept us sending emails that we are participating in Water Today. So from them I have come to know about Water Today, and I had called up your office and they gave us all the response. It was very good, and I am sure in next years to come I will have a larger stall because I have also roaming a lot of international players in water management, and two of them have already decided to take part in the Water Today in the coming exhibitions. So basically it was a focus. I think Water Today may probably is one of the exhibitors or organizations where you are focusing on water management. If you go in an exhibition, you will find so many other players which is unrelated, but this is focus and only for water management. That's one advice. But I am a little, I would like to advise you that during the entrance point, there's a delay for people who are visitors to come in. So this we have to address in next Water Today exhibitions. Clean water is a problem everywhere in the world, same in India. We have plenty of water, but we are not conserving. So conservation, preservation is the main, that's what we should focus on.